Today, we enter the daring world of forest workers. Here, skilled operators and powerful machinery face the wild forces of nature head-on. Oh my gosh! The mini excavator Bobcat E32 is a true powerhouse in a compact form. With incredible precision, it tears through tough roots and stubborn stumps like butter. Its flexible arm moves smoothly, showing strength and balance that leave everyone amazed. Efficiency meets power here. Wow! The MA35:1 drilling system roars to life, and the entire scene feels like raw engineering brilliance in motion. With its superior mechanics paired with a compact yet fierce 18-horsepower tractor, every movement is precise and powerful. The steel cable tightens, the ground trembles, then, in one incredible pull, the massive root bursts free. The SG-75 roars to life, its engine echoing through the air as it charges toward a massive 4-foot tree stump. The spinning grinder head shreds the wood with breathtaking precision, each rotation bursting with raw mechanical strength. It's a perfect harmony of power, control, and unstoppable efficiency. The Kubota SBL-75 dives into action, its front hook gripping a massive tree stump with sheer determination. The machine strains, metal creaks, and suddenly the hook bends and snaps under the pressure. Dust rises as the stubborn stump stands firm, refusing to yield. The Kubota halts for a moment, power meeting nature's resistance in one breathtaking clash. Oh wow! The Kingwell Moorbark HT1684 Predator roars to life, a 500 horsepower beast ready for action. Turning slowly at just 25 revolutions per minute, it pulverizes massive stumps and waste wood with astonishing ease. Every log is reduced to splinters without a single fragment flying. Precision and raw power combine, making it perfect for even the toughest work sites. The Moorbark HT1684 Predator rolls in like a true forest warrior. Its hydraulic blade descends with pinpoint precision, shredding tree stumps into fine biomass. Amid the chaos of towering trees, the machine moves with unmatched power and control. Branches and debris fly as it clears the way, leaving the forest slowly opening under its unstoppable force. Oh wow! The MB tracked 1,000 powers through a sharp turn with fearless precision. Its massive wheels dig into the ground, defying gravity with each pivot. Dust and momentum swirl around as the tractor executes the maneuver flawlessly. Every second is packed with tension and awe, leaving viewers holding their breath. The giant machine roars to life, trembling under the weight it carries. Its steel tracks bite deep into the ground, shaking the hillside with raw power. Every movement feels alive, controlled yet untamed. It's pure mechanical strength, a breathtaking display of force and precision.
You gotta love it.
The Kenworth C500 roars to life, its deep engine echoing like thunder through the forest. This heavy-duty dump truck powers forward with unstoppable strength, lifting massive logs into its bed as if they weigh nothing. Each movement shows precision, raw force, and engineering mastery combined. It's a perfect display of power meeting performance in every motion. The Posh Splitmaster 35 steps into action with pure precision. Its mobile frame and built-in lifting system make wood splitting look effortless. With a crushing force of 77,000 pounds, it slices massive logs apart in seconds. Every push of that piston shows unstoppable strength and flawless engineering at work. Oh my gosh! This 5.5 kW 3-phase chainsaw isn't just powerful, it's a true wood processing beast in motion. With every swing, it cuts through thick logs like they're nothing. Its automatic system works flawlessly, turning hard labor into smooth precision. Strength, speed, and endurance come together in one incredible performance. Wow! The roaring chainsaw slices cleanly through massive tree trunks, sending wood chips flying in every direction. Its raw power shakes the forest air, yet every move demands perfect control. Behind that thunderous sound lies skill, precision, and deep respect for the machine's strength. One mistake, and the balance could be lost. The giant crusher roars to life, its massive hook locked firmly in place. With unstoppable force, it drags stubborn materials straight into the grinding chamber. Metal groans, gears spin, and debris vanishes in seconds. Every movement shows raw mechanical power working with flawless precision. Oh wow! The Moorbark 1300 fires up, shaking the ground with its incredible power. Its massive engine spins the drum at full speed, shredding giant logs into perfect wood chips within seconds. Every rotation feels like controlled chaos, strength, precision, and efficiency all in one breathtaking moment. Don't forget to leave a like or subscribe, because you are the driving force that inspires me to keep creating and showcasing even more impressive modern machines. The powerful Tatra logging truck battles through deep mud, pulled by a winch with relentless strength. Its massive wheels grind forward, engine roaring in full force. Each push shows incredible traction and endurance as it conquers the terrain. In the end, the load moves safely, proving the machine's unstoppable might. The Valmont 840.3 roars through the muddy forest trail, its tires gripping firmly with unstoppable drive. Every movement is a mix of raw power and precision control. The skilled operator maneuvers massive logs effortlessly, turning chaos into perfect coordination. Even in the harshest terrain, this machine proves what true engineering can do. Oh my gosh! The Steel 261 comes alive with a fierce roar, ready to take on massive trees standing tall. Its sharp chain slices cleanly through thick trunks, showing unmatched precision and strength. But behind every perfect cut lies steady hands, focus, and skill earned through experience. This is pure power in expert control. The Komatsu D68 ESS bulldozer powers through rough terrain like a true beast of engineering. Its massive blade pushes logs and debris with unstoppable force. Mud, rocks, and steep slopes are no match for its strength and stability. Every move proves how durability and raw power combine to conquer the wild. This modern wood processor combines a razor-sharp cutter with a powerful hydraulic splitter. Logs roll in, and within seconds, they're sliced and split with stunning precision. The optimized engine keeps every motion smooth and efficient. It's the perfect blend of technology and muscle, redefining how woodwork gets done. The Christian supper machine tears through wood like it's nothing. Thick trunks, thin branches, it handles them all with unstoppable force. Its powerful engine and sharp blades turn everything into perfect wood chips within seconds. Precision, speed, and strength combine to make this machine a true marvel in action. Oh my gosh! The DZT 8000 TKT rail-mounted grinder unleashes incredible power as it devours piles of green waste from Myrtle Beach. Its massive engine drives the drum with unstoppable force, shredding debris into fine, reusable pieces. Each rotation turns chaos into order, transforming waste into something useful for the planet. Wait, what? The massive Fixterry Chip 18 powers up, showcasing incredible speed and precision. Within minutes, it processes tons of wood chips and neatly packs them into giant 50-cubic containers. Its advanced technology and powerful engine redefine efficiency, turning a tough task into smooth automation. This is innovation at its finest. The Black Splitter S2X800 mounted on the CAT 304CR shows off pure engineering brilliance. It effortlessly splits massive logs with precision and power that's hard to believe. Its rotating design gives unmatched control, outperforming traditional grab buckets with ease. Every move is smooth, efficient, and seriously impressive to watch. The CAT 525D skidder powers through deep snow like an unstoppable beast. Its massive engine roars as it pulls heavy loads across icy terrain with total control. Built for endurance, this machine proves its strength where others fail. Every push, every pull, pure power and precision in motion. The massive logging truck is unhooked in perfect coordination between the loader and the driver. He sets up the sturdy steel stand, every movement fast and astonishingly precise. Each heavy log is lifted, turned smoothly, then lowered into the truck bed with ease. Power and skill blend together, creating a breathtaking scene of man and machine in harmony. Oh wow! At the Mulvin Sawmill in Mockjard, the Volvo wheel loader powers up its high-reaching boom. Its massive engine lifts and maneuvers heavy logs with effortless strength. Each movement speeds up the production line, combining precision and raw power in perfect harmony. Efficiency and force come together to create a truly impressive display of machinery at work. The Rima RM7 firewood processor roars to life, handling up to 44,000 pounds of wood with ease. Its robust design and powerful engine crush and process massive logs in seconds. Every motion maximizes efficiency, turning a huge workload into smooth, precise operation. This machine is a true marvel of strength and productivity.